Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a subscribe pop-up on Wix. So let's go to the Wix editor page. After go to editor page, you have to click on this pages and menu, and you have to select which pages you want to set this pop-up. Like I want to set this pop-up in drop down one. So I'm clicking on this, and you have to now click on add elements, the plus sign. Now you can see here interactive option. Under this interactive option you'll find here pop-ups. So you can see here subscribe pop-up. Click on this subscribe, the second option. Then you can find many pop-up like this. I'm choosing this one. Just click on this and it will be chosen like this. It may take some seconds, so hold on. Okay, now if you want to uh, change this pop-ups anything, you can change it, manage pop-up, and you can change it from here. And if you go to settings, and you can name this pop-up anything you want. You can name it pop-up settings automatically. Click on yes. Here's the delay second. It will not be delay if you set it on 0. Alright, after you can cross this one, then you can see here set triggers. Click on set triggers, and everything like same. Here you can see that does pop-up close, X icon or close button. You can choose X icon or close button, any button you want. Alright, now let's see how this pop-up looks like. Click on preview. You can see that the pop-up will look like this. People can cross this and it will be crossed. Okay, so this is how you can add a pop-up on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.